Shenzhen, Xuri Sunshine New Energy Company Limited, founded in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research and development, production, sales, and service of solar modules, solar flexible folding panels, solar small systems, and other applications. The company is located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation. Committed to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, the company has introduced laser marking machine, series of welding machine, EL testing machine, composite machine, and a series of advanced equipment. In addition, we have also obtained CE, Roche, FCC certificates and obtained ISO 9001 certification, strict quality control. Products sell well in all provinces and cities of China and exported to Europe and America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and other countries and regions. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether it's selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering help for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your purchasing needs. We'll do our best to serve you. The company will implement the concept of green energy, convenient life, always adhere to make their own contributions to the society.